Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to make Bird Beak Mask. Let's dive into the video. First we need to take a A4 sheet, fold them and cut into two parts. So after folding, we need to cut them. For this you don't require any measurement. So first we will take a part of the paper and fold them as shown in the video. So we have folded the upward part. Now we will fold the downward part. Please see the video carefully, and in same pattern you have to make the foldings. So now down part is folded towards the up. So I am using the glue to paste that. So finally it should look like a triangle. This is the second part of the paper, and we will be folding in the same pattern we used for the first one. So after folding, we need to use the glue and paste it and to form a triangle. So we'll stick them. So now we are using the glue to stick them. Okay, so now finally you got a triangle. So again we have to fold as shown in the video. So this is how we are going to make Bird Beak Mask. So first we need to make a mark to make a hole. So now we are marking to make a hole. So here the point is, make sure you make perfect mark to make a hole. So here we are using a punch machine to make a hole, and we will insert an elastic and stitch them. So this is how we are going to stitch them. You can use a knot pattern also, with elastic only you put the knot. Okay. So I will show you again how to insert elastic and stitch them. So here you have to insert the elastic in the hole. Okay. Now we'll stitch them. For this you don't require any measurement. Only you have to take a A4 sheet and fold them into two parts, and follow the pattern of folding in this video, and you can definitely do the Bird Beak Mask. So in the previous video many of the subscribers asked for the measurement, so I made this video. I think all your doubts have been solved here. Finally we have made the mask. So by this we can conclude that this is how we make the mask, and see how the kids are playing with this. So this is how we make the beak mask. See how he is dancing, it's so funny, and he looked like a bird, right? Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you all.